everyone. On Halloween night, there's an interesting story I'd like to share to you. Skeleton Meets the Mummy by Steve Metzger, illustrated by Aaron Zenz. On Halloween night, Sammy, the skeleton, wants to go on trick-or-treat with his friend, Derek. However, his mom asks him to bring some soup to Grandma. He has to walk through the dark woods. What's inside the dark woods? That's very scary. In the woods, he hears the sound flip, flap, flip, flap, flip, flap. Oh, it is only a bat. Then he hears a whoosh, swoosh. Oh, it's just the wind. Then he hears other sound that scares him a lot. Suddenly, he finds out there's someone or something following him, making the sound scritch, scratch, scritch, scratch, scritch, scratch. What would it be? It's getting closer and closer. It's a mummy chasing after him. What can he do? What would you do? Oh, Sammy has an idea, and he finds out the mummy is actually... It's really a funny and interesting story. You can find out what happened in the end. On Halloween night, will you go on a trick-or-treat? What do you want to dress up like? What do you want to be on Halloween night? What's your Halloween costume? That means what you wear on Halloween night, the costume. A skeleton, a mummy, a zombie, a werewolf, a vampire, or a witch just like me. What will you have on your costume? If you dress up like a vampire, there will be 2 sharp teeth and a cool black cape on your body. You will be scary and sneaky. If you dress up like a werewolf, there will be a lot of scary teeth and hairy tail on your body. You will be creepy and out of nowhere. You can draw your Halloween costume on the left and cut down the other half and fold it as the door. So, on Halloween night, knock, knock, open the door and you'll see Happy Halloween! Hope you enjoyed today's Halloween lesson. I'll see you next time. If you like this video, please give me a like. And remember to subscribe me for more videos. Feel free to share to others. I'll see you next time. Goodbye!